Good morning, all. Just wanted to quickly welcome you to Billionaire, and in the quest of knowledge sharing, we have started a series where we are introducing various indicators, and today I'm going to introduce you to DMI. Now, you might have heard about ADX, Average Directional Index. Now, this black line is ADX, but actually it's called as DMI, Directional Moment Indicator, or you can call it as what you call Direction Moment Index. So what exactly this does? So DMI consists of three indicators. The black line is the ADX, Average Directional Index. So ADX basically measures the ongoing trend. So if this black line is about 25, then the ongoing trend strength is more. If it is 25 to 50, it is a strong strength, very strong strength. And if it is above 50, super strong, which means the trend will continue. Now, does this mean that you can watch ADX and trade? Yes, it needs a discipline, but however, you need to understand all the indicators are lagging indicators. Market would have moved and then this measures the strength. But nevertheless, for stock trading, this is one of the very famous indicator where you can identify the trends and take your trades. The catch here is this red line measures the upside price strength, and the the red line measures the selling strength, which is the price of selling, how strong the strength is. And similarly, the green line I have marked, this is bias, measures the bias strength. So when does this DMI generates a trading signal? The DMI generates a trading signal whenever these two lines crossovers. This is the beauty of ADX. You can identify, okay, there is a sell signal the moment the red line goes up, crossover, similar to here. See, after green line crossed over red line, buyers started coming in. Now, there is a key strategy or very key important thing which you need to focus. The ADX should be about 25, but the strength of the ongoing trend will be better when the DMI line is above the ADX line, above this black line. Now watch here. Strength is dropping. Even in ADX, you can measure the divergence. Strength is dropping. The moment it comes inside the black line, yes, the ongoing ADX, it is still strong. The downtrend is strong for Friday, but strength is dropping means it will go sideways because this line has come down. And see, the ADX also falls continuously. Now see here, this line, it comes flat here. I'm going to mark it here. We call this as negative DMI and positive DMI. Negative DMI is in red, which is sellers selling signal. Positive DMI is green, which is a buying signal. So in a downtrend, what should you see? You should always see for selling. So you can watch this trading signal and decide whether you want to sell or enter a position. Now, yes, this is a pullback. See here, this is a pullback, slightly went up above the black. If this would have continued along with the black ADX line increasing about 25, then the trend would have reversed. But on the contrary, what happens? We are in a downtrend. You should consider only selling signal. See what happened here. This gave a selling signal here. And watch this line. Here you have the price action and market went down. And this red line moved above the ADX, indicating there is a strong trend. So you could have taken some courage and entered with appropriate stop loss. You would have made money. That is directional moment index or average direction index, where you can trade using the these indicator measuring the ongoing trend. This 25 is neutral, which means if the trend is upside and this black line is about 25, the upside trend is strong. If the market is trending down and if this black line is about 25, that means the ongoing downside trend is very strong. That is how you need to understand. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a great Sunday.